What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about how to start a dollar store the Wealth Builders way. Let's go. Okay, real quick, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand: how to start a dollar store the Wealth Builders way. Okay, with the economy being in such a disarray and money being tighter than the knot pulled on a shoelace of a 9-year-old kid, dollar stores are the wave, right? That's where everybody goes. That's what you need, something cheap. You need something that's gonna help you stay within your budget. You hit the dollar store. Now, stores like Dollar General and other stores like it, we are winning. They are winning. But what if you wanted to start your own, right? What if you wanted to start your own? Well, there are different models, different business models you can take when thinking about starting yourself a dollar store. All right, one business model, you can start your own store, no franchising, none of that. Just start just straight. All you do is find the property, lease it out, get all the supplies you need, bring in the stuff, and start selling. Right, this will probably cost you in the hundreds of thousands of dollars because you got to employ people. You got to find a spot, like I said before. You got to do a lot of legwork plus run the business. So it's going to cost you a lot of money plus a lot of time, right? Who wants to do that? If that's something you want to do, then by all means, go ahead and do that. All right, number 2, and invest in a franchise. Now, you can go with Dollar General, Family Dollar, or even, I think there's the store, physical store called Dollar Store, right? You can check that out, sign up, okay, and you'll have yourself a brick and mortar franchise, which definitely will have to start off with at least $25K. I think that's how much Dollar General is. Dollar General, you start off from anywhere between, the minimum investment is $25,000 and can balloon up to around $350,000, okay? So yeah, that's a lot of money, okay? And it all really depends on where you're gonna do it, how big your store is, all that good stuff. So yeah, franchising is cool. You probably don't have to do all the legwork when it comes to getting the suppliers and things to sell, but still a lot of work. And again, a lot of money. Now, number 3, you can start yourself a franchise, but online. Yeah, online. Now, that's pretty much the Wealth Builders way right there, because we do a lot of things online, okay? I do a lot of businesses online. I have a lot of different ways of generating income online. Now, so I would say you should go ahead and do the online way, right? There is a company by the name of dollarstore.com, okay? This company will actually set you up with a franchise website that you can start making money with very, very, very fast, okay? The investment, very low, okay? You can start at $9.95, which is an awesome price point. Just $1,000. Just $1,000? Come on, man. That's it. That's it, okay? You can literally have a plug and play website and make money pretty much starting that week you get signed up, okay? Now, they even help you market the business, which is the lifeblood of the business. And again, marketing is definitely something you need to take heed to, because that's the way you make your money when it comes to any business. And if you want to learn how to do online marketing and stuff like that, there is a link in the description for my videos, for my YouTube video. I do an online marketing class every Monday. Okay, I drop a video about online marketing and teaching you different ways of online marketing. So if that's something you need to, brush up on and learn, I got you, okay? Stick around, I got you. Yeah, so dollarstore.com is definitely the way to go. I'm going to get involved with it. I think you should get involved with it. We all could be making money out here from a dollar store online. All right, so there you have it, my friends. This is how you start a dollar store in 2020. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you want to learn how you can make $100 to $500 online without having a dollar store, without any other without a website, anything like that, no selling, no telling, just a straight text message sent to your leads every single day until they sign up or get off the the text messaging. Check out the link below. The phone number's in the link below also, so you can check that out. Text it, learn more about it, and start making this money. All right, so thanks for watching. This is your boy Devon signing off for how to start a dollar store in 2020. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.